Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Tricky Solution channel, and today we are going to learn about the size of operator in C programming language. So, what is the use of size of operator and in what kind of type we are going to use, and when we use the size of operator in C language, so we are going to know through this video. So so I'm going to write a program which is about to know the use of size of operator. So hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. After that, I have to write a main function. Within the main function, I have to declare the variables, and I have to write the body of the program. So I'm going to declare different types of data. So the first is character type of data, which is char a. Within a char, I'm going to store the character p, and after that the next is int type of data. So int b, stores the value which is 100, and the float type of data which is next, and float c, it will going to store that is 100.0f. It is nothing but a float type of data. And the next is double d, which is also going to stored in a decimal point 2021.90. You can store whatever you want to store in that variable. And the next is char string. So and within this, I have to initialize with the string. So let's initialize with the welcome word. Welcome to programming world. So this is the string that I have initialized, and let's start our implementation from the below. So I'm going to check that what type of data are stored in a variable. So printf slash n size of a %d, and after that I have to mention the size of operator with the within variable. So this line indicates that what is the type of data which is a hold the character type of data. So we are going to check like that. And the next is, let's copy the same line and paste it below. So the size of b is, and here I have to write a b, and after that I have to check the size of c. And after that d holding the double type of data. So and after that str. So str. So yeah, and after that I have to put the getch function. So get ch and semicolon. So this is our program to know what type of data are we stored in a variable. So let's check. So run a code. After running code, we will got the size of A is 1 and the size of A is nothing but a our char type of variable. So in C programming, the char, why it is print the 1, because the char type of data in C language, it the byte of char means the to the character type of data only one byte of memory is allocated. That's why the 1 is nothing but a byte. So this P holding the 1 byte of data. That's why it is printed like 1, and the int hold the 4, and float is also hold the 4 byte of data, and the D hold the 8 type of data which is doubled. Means float double is double of float variable, and the string is holded like what type of means the character length. So the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25, and the null character, and including null character, it is uh, it is printed like 26 character, and the double hold the 8 byte of memory, and the float holds the 4 byte of memory, and int also hold the 4 byte of memory, and char, that is the p variable, hold the 1 byte of memory. In that type of in that manner, the size of operator, it is going to use to know what type of data are we storing, and uh, and what byte of data are we stored in a variable. So this is all about the size of operator in C programming. Hope you all get to know that what is the use of size of operator in C. So hope you like the content, and if you like the content, then do like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you.